So problem number 8, probability x is 13.5. Suppose x has a binomial distribution b6 comma half. Show that x is equal to 3 is the most likely outcome, and he has given also the hint. Hint is px is equal to 3 is the maximum among all pxi. Xi refers to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have to find out the value of px3, and we must see if it is maximum. px3, and there are other values also, px1, px2, px4, px5, px6. We have to compare the value of px3 with these values, and we have to show that this is maximum. Now b6 half implies n is 6 and p is 12. When p is 12, q is 1 minus half, that is also half. So the values of p and q we know. P is half, q is half, n is 6 and x is 3. Now use this relationship or this formula. Px is equal to x ncx, q to the power of n minus x and p to the power of x. N is how much? 6. 6c x. So half to the power of n minus x and again half to the power of x. Half to the power of n minus x and half to the power of x. This becomes x to the power of half by loss of indices. N minus x plus x. Minus x plus x cancels out. N we have half to the power of n. So ncx into half to the power of n. Now 6cx into half to the power of 6. This is maximum only if 6cx is maximum. Now this 6cx is maximum. So n x takes values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Find out the value of 6c. Yeah, 6c3. Look here, it is 6 factorial by 3 factorial, 3 factorial, and that comes to how much? 20. We calculate it is 20. So this is the maximum. You can verify whether this is maximum or not by calculating the other values. 6c1, 6c2, 6c4, 6c5 and 6c6, and that I have calculated here. Okay, 6c1, 6 factorial by 5 factorial, 1 factorial, that is 6 only. 6c2, look here, it is here, and that comes to 15. And here 6c4, that is also 15. 6c5, that's also 6. 6c6 is 1. So 6c3 is 1. This is the maximum, and therefore we can say x is equal to 3 is maximum or most likely outcome. We have to calculate all this to see whether it is maximum or not, and that we have done. 6c6, 6c2, 6c4, 6c5, 6c, but 6c3 is 20, and these are less than 20. That is, this one is 6, this is 15, again this is 6 and this is 1. So x is equal to 3 is maximum or most likely outcome. Thank you. Here ends the problem. Thank you.